So here again at Starbucks Antipolo. Kape lang ng kape hanggang mag-palpitate.
With a cup of coffee, I'll start the day. A little bitterness wakes me slow. Morning light,
So as you can see, magkasama na naman kami ni Maricar.
happiness.
So magkakape na naman kami niyan. Let's go, let's order. So yan guys, season stickers na kasi. So kape muna tayo sa Starbucks para makaipon tayo ng 17 stickers.
Coffee,
Gagamitin muna natin mga kaibigan natin na mahihilig sa kape.
deep back inside. Today's my day, I'm feeling the fight. With a cup of coffee, I'll start the day. A little bitterness wakes me that way. Morning light, breeze so sweet. A cup of happiness makes this morning complete. Let's start the day. City and people slowly begin, but one still.
Ayos naman pala guys. Hi guys, for today's vlog, may bago. Nanonood din siya. Parang nag-i-email. Ito parang bakit isa lang yung may ganito? Nagmadali si kuya, natataranta na. Puro Ella, sorry, nakaano sila. Sabi na ko no? Yan, libre. Thank you po sa naglibre. Bait talaga. Picture tayo. So, as you can see, magkakasama na naman kami. Kumpleto na naman ang Elm Street. So, kasama namin si Beslan. Nakatakas na naman siya sa kambal. So, nagkakape kami dito sa Antipolo Starbucks. So, this is my pang-ilang punta ko na ba dito? Pangatlo? Pangatlo na ba? So, yun lang. Nood lang muna.
Start the day, a little bitterness wakes me that way. Morning light, breeze so sweet. A cup of happiness makes this morning complete. Let's start the day. City and people slowly begin.
Hey guys, this is a time, November 19. We're here pa rin sa SB Antipolo. Hi kayo, hi kayo. Alam ka talaga kasi yung kape. Diyos ko Lord. May nagising din ako dun. Anong oras naman? Sinasabi niya nga daw may oras na? Oh, alauna girl. Alauna na. Sulit na sulit. Sorry po. Nag-church ka pa ba yung lamaro? Hindi na po. So this time, naka 20 stickers na ako. So I decided to redeem na yung first choice ko, which is the... Mamaya, tignan nyo na lang.
Morning light, breeze so sweet. With every sip, happiness complete. The day begins. Sitting at the
Yung turquoise po, ako. Yung kabila.
start.
As you can see, nakita nyo na kung ano yung pinili ko. Ito yung pinili ko. Turquoise Cold Cup. 24 ounce. So, i-open natin. Mag-unboxing tayo dito. Thank you.
Little bit of this wakes me slow. Morning light, breeze so
Hey guys, I got my cold cup. Ano yan? Ganda. 12 ounce. Di ba 12 ounce? Parang laki sa 12. Next is planner. Ganda yun. Pero dati kasi may mumagi dun sa Starbucks.
sitting at the counter, watching the view. The coffee aroma softly drifts through. A moment of quiet, deep breath inside. Today's my day, I'm feeling the vibe. With a cup of coffee, I'll start the day. A little bit of this wakes me that way. Morning light, breeze so sweet. A cup of happiness makes this morning complete. Let's start the day.
Naka-SB ko to eh. Naka-SB ko to. Kahit yung time, ito kita yung time. Ako hanggang ano. Today is Monday. Hanggang 2. Hanggang 3. Picture daw tayo dito. Sige. Hi guys. Ano ba? Mali yung kamay natin. Mali yung paa. Charot. Ano ba gulo nyo ah? Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Like it.